Hi girls,
Hi ma'am.
shall we continue our today's quiz series?
Yes.
Class 10th Social Studies paper 2.
Okay.
As you know, we have 15 questions, each carries 2 marks, and if you for a wrong answer, you will be losing 1 mark. Okay? If you press the buzzer before also, you will be losing 1 mark.
Okay.
Understand? So, shall we start?
Yes.
First question. Who was the president of USA during Second World War? Options are Harry Truman, Bill Clinton, Hitler and Abraham Lincoln.
Harry Truman.
Harry Truman was the president of USA during Second World War. Very good. I'm not giving any options for this question, so that listen carefully, my girls. Why was the Mandal Commission appointed by the Indian government?
For other backward classes.
The backward classes?
Yeah. For other backward reservation classes. Reservations for other backward classes.
Very good, Sahasra. Okay, you a little bit confused. Here, Mandal Commission appointed for reservations for other backward classes. Mandal Commission appointed in the year 1979, and this commission was headed by B.P. Mandal to identify the socially and educationally backward classes of India and to consider reservations as a means to address caste inequality and discrimination. Well done, Sahasra. Expanded form of NDA. Can you?
National Democratic Alliance.
Very good. National Democratic Alliance. Next. Who was the Prime Minister of India at the time of telecom revolution took place here? Options are Narendra Modi, Sonia Gandhi, Rajiv Gandhi, Vajpayee.
Rajiv Gandhi.
Rajiv Gandhi, very good. And Rajiv Gandhi was assassinated in which year? 1990, 1991, 1992, 1993.
1991.
1991 is the year Rajiv Gandhi was assassinated. In Indian Constitution, which article talks about the presidential rule? Article 17, Article 21, Article 78, Article 356.
356.
Very good. This is very important. It's very important one. Presidential rule tells Article 356. 2 rupees per kilo rice. Scheme was introduced to the poor people by a former chief minister. Can you guess who was he? Options are Chandrababu Naidu, Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi, NTR.
It's Nandamuri Tarak Ramarao.
Well done, Laksha. Very good. Nandamuri Tarak Ramarao introduced the scheme 2 rupees per kilo rice. Very good. Who was the founder of Telugu Desam Party and in which year, if possible? YSR, Chandrababu Naidu, Jagannath Reddy, NTR.
It's NTR
In the year?
in the year 1982.
1982. Good. Good, Laksha.
1982.
Next, what was the year when Babri Masjid was demolished? 1990, 1992, 1994, 1996.
1992.
1992, December 6th,
Yes.
exact date of that Babri Masjid demolition. Next, Garibi Hatao was a popular slogan that was given by a powerful Prime Minister. Do you know? Options are Motilal Nehru, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sonia Gandhi, Indira Gandhi.
It's Indira Gandhi.
Okay. Indira Gandhi was a powerful Prime Minister who gave this statement, Garibi Hatao. In which year the first general elections were held? 1950, 1952, 1953, 1955.
1952.
1952 is the year first general elections were held. Next, which international organization was formed after World War I? options. League of Nations, NATO, UNO, ILO.
League of Nations.
League of Nations, very good. And the next one. During the First World War, these cities were destroyed by atomic bombs dropped by USA.
Yes.
Which cities?
Hiroshima and Nagasaki.
Yeah, Hiroshima and Nagasaki are the two cities located in Japan were destroyed by atomic bombs dropped by USA. Good. Good, Laksha. In which year League of Nations was formed? Options are 1918, 1920, 1922, 1924.
1920 January 11th.
Wow, Sahasra, wonderful. 1920, January 11th, League of Nations formed. During the Second World War, who was the Chancellor of Germany? Options are Hitler, Bismarck, Karl Marx, Hitler.
Hitler. Adolf Hitler.
But like Sahasra told, right? Sahasra got marked. So we completed successfully all 15 questions. Now today's winner.
Laksha.
Very good. Congratulations, Laksha.
Congratulations, Laksha. Thank you.